Dear student of class KG, welcome in our class. Here I am your English teacher with another interesting topic. First of all, my dear student, open your English book. This is your English book. In previous lesson, we taught letter E. We taught letter E and its sound, its vocabulary and its letter formation. Now turn your page number 15. Today I am going to teach you letter F. Which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? F. This is capital F and this is small f. What is the sound of F? F. F. What is the sound of F? F. Which letter is this? F. You also read with me. Which letter is this? F. What is the sound of F? F. F for frog. F for fork. F for fence. F for frog. F for fork. F for fence. Which letter is this? F. What is the sound of F? F for frog, F for fork, F for fence. My dear students, this is page number 15 and now I am going to teach you how to write letter F in correct formation. You have to trace on these dots and also write on the dot. First of all, touch the dot, make a standing line to the down and make a sleeping line to the right and go to the middle and make another line in the same way. This is capital F and now small f. Touch the dot, make a curve and continue to the down and make a small line between middle. This is capital F and this is small f. Now you have to complete this activity on page number 15 to write letter F. Also read sound and its vocabulary words. In the same way, you also have to complete page number 16. Do more practice of letter F. A little review. In previous lectures, I taught you letter A, its sound and its vocabulary. Can you please tell me which letter is this? A. What is the sound of A? A aeroplane. A alligator. A astronaut. Turn the page. B. Which letter is this? B. What is the sound of B? Beaver. Beaver butterfly. Beaver brick. Beaver boy. Turn to the next page. C. What is the sound of C? Seeker. Seeker clock. Seeker clone. Seeker computer. What comes after C? D. Which letter is this? D. What is the sound of D? Deeder. Deeder dice. Deeder dolphin. Deeder dentist. Which letter is this? E. What is the sound of E? E elephant. E earring. E engine. Now what comes after E? Yes, F. Which letter is this? F. What is the sound of F? F for frog, F for fork, F for fence. So my dear students, I hope you all learn letters, its vocabulary, its sound and its letter formation. Do more practice and give your couple of time to your studies and complete all given homework, home assignments at your home. Take care of yourself till then next video. Goodbye.